Alright guys, so here's how to merge cells in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the cells that you want to merge. So for my case, I want to merge all of these column cells into one. So I need to select all of these like that. And simply from the Home tab, you need to select the Margin Center. And right beside it, you will see the arrow button. Just click on that. And then from here you need to select merge cells, and there you have it. So now if we click on this, all these single cell. So for the row, we can select the rows like this and simply again go with the Home tab and go with the merge and center. So from here we will see the merge cells like this. Alright, so if you want to align this text right now, you can simply go to the Home tab again and you can see the alignment. So we can either in the mid, write it in the mid and simply go with the mid as well. So for this case also, we can go with the mid and mid like that. Alright, so hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.